Now we are going to see about working of temperature based fan speed control using Arduino Uno. Here we have used Tinkercad software. These are the materials required for constructing this project. The microcontroller controls the speed of an electric fan according to the requirement required and allows dynamic and faster control, and the LCD makes the system user friendly. Tinkercad is an online simulation software used for circuit design. It has all basic electrical components required to build circuits and run them. In this project, we are in need of an Arduino Uno, breadboard, LCD display, DC motor, potentiometer, resistor, and temperature sensor. Connections are made as per the circuit diagram. The main objective of the project is for reducing power consumption and also to assist people who are disabled and are unable to control the speed of the fan. After completing the connections, we have to generate codes. We have to check codes for error. When there is no error, we can start simulating. In near future, it can be used in different industries and electronic devices. Temperature is sensed in the Celsius scale and are simultaneously displayed on the LCD panel. The fan speed will increase automatically when the temperature in the room is increased. The fan speed is proportional to the temperature measured. The advantages of this project. The applications of this project are they are used in air conditioners, water heaters. In future, we can enhance the project by monitoring more parameters like humidity, light, and at the same time we can control them. Thank you.